Right now, we treat this, we practice hard, we prepare hard for this conference. At least nauna siguro kami sa ibang team mag-prepare because nga we want to have something na ma-achieve namin this conference. Okay. In-expect namin siyempre mas competitive kami ngayon. We expect na we will fight until the end. We will have a chance to win some games. So, yun ang inaano namin na at least makuha namin yung kumbaga yung team namin maging healthy lang, maging competitive. I think mayroon kaming mga teams na pwedeng talunin.